Good morning. Today's the day. I love it. Today's the day after Friendsgiving, and this is how we're looking. Okay. I have to say that everyone did an amazing job cleaning my kitchen, but my little boys out here made quite the mess. Our village is done. It looks so much better with the lights on. I'll show it with the lights on. It's so pretty. And then, oh, Benny, what? Did you get yourself dressed? Let me see your shirt. So nice. You did such a good job. All right, we're not coloring ourselves right now, though, right? Okay. Color my paper. Color on the paper. Good boy. And then this is what we're gonna do today. Hello. You don't like this? No. Okay. I just shared these on my Instagram story, so I thought that I would share them here. They are the Ryan and Rose pacifier. They come in a bunch of different colors. I have the pink ones, so I got a white and a tan one. She likes them in the flat. So the nipple is like flat. She does love her Wubbanub, which isn't flat, but she seems to really like these. So I ordered a couple more because I lost the one flat one that we had, and then I obviously ended up finding it. But these are awesome. They're on my Amazon store, but I'll link them if you're interested. She takes to them really well, so I just wanted to share, and they're like super adorable. Time to straighten this hair. So I've literally been cleaning all morning. I just took a break to put my vase on, and I just like got to the point cleaning where I'm just like over it. Do you know what I mean? Like the boys' room, I like filtered through the baby's clothes. I got rid of like a whole bag of the boys' toys that like had no pieces to them. I haven't made my room yet. I haven't made my bed yet. I need to put laundry away. I have laundry going. But the living room's like a lot better. I picked up a living room. I started the dishwasher. Unloaded the dishwasher. Yeah. These earrings, I just got them from Amazon. They're super cute. They're more of like a rose gold, like peachy diamond. I usually just wear these like whatever, like regular sparkly rhinestone, but these are really pretty. So I need to straighten my hair. I need to get dressed. Oh, I have all this laundry sitting in front of me. Like, can you just go away? Like, I wish there was just like a fairy that was like poof. I was feeling frisky So I curled my hair. It actually looks really cute. I usually like don't like the way that it turns out, but with this like length, and now that my hair is like finally healthy, it looks really cute. We have so many leftovers. I literally don't even know what to do. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but this hair is like, who is she? I just can't stand that I like don't fit into anything. It's like really annoying. I just ordered those new sweaters, so maybe I'll just throw one of those on, but it's annoying. So Olivia is finally sleeping. She did not sleep all day yesterday for Friendsgiving. It was so annoying. She was like fine. Like, she's such a good baby. Like, she doesn't like freak out for no reason. It was just like, go to sleep. Like, I know you need to sleep, go to sleep, you know? So, Ben is having lunch. I just had some salad and leftover macaroni and cheese, which I probably shouldn't be eating because I should be eating well. But while I'm breastfeeding, I'm like so goddamn hungry. It's like crazy. I'm more hungry breastfeeding than I am pregnant. So he's wearing Michael's headphones. You're so cute, my little cookie. He's wearing Michael's headphones. He's wearing Michael's shirt. He's obsessed with salad. Salad dressing is so flipping good. My best friend introduced it to me, and we literally go through them like once a week because me and Ben eat so much salad with that dressing. I have the heat on so hard. I'm like freezing. I didn't Hello! Hi. I didn't throw on a jacket. We are waiting at the bus stop. Tonight I'm going out for a little bit, so the boys go with Mike's parents, so that's nice. Then I'll have a couple hours to myself, and they have dinner over there too, so I don't have to take care of dinner on Monday night, so that's really nice. So I'm recording on my phone, but it is so dark outside. It's so depressing. It's raining. I think a lot of just like the United States got a ton of snow and like crazy weather. All we got was rain, but it's so nasty out and it's literally dark and it's 4 o'clock. Like, it's the last little bit of sunshine. Not even sunshine, just light. Oh, little Cookie's crying. Do you need your binky? So I just wanted to say how depressing it was that I'm sitting here waiting for my son to get off the bus at 4 o'clock and it's dark. So that's not cute. Hi, Mama's girl. Hi. All right, so I came in here to open this package from Abercrombie. I got, I don't know if you've seen, I got it's like a faux fur bomber kind of deal. Oh my god, die. Yes. Oh my god, love. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna try it on. Can you see the black fur? Oh my god, I wish it wasn't raining so I could wear it tonight. Okay, I'll still try to show you while she's crying. But it's black furry. Can you tell? Can you see like the black fur? Okay, I'm gonna have to show this in tomorrow's video. What's wrong with my baby? Oh, you're okay. Okay, well it has this like huge collar. Okay. Alright guys, I am out of here.
I keep hurting myself. Hello!
I will see you tomorrow.
Hello guys! I did go donation and the next donation done like bunny, the bar, and the snowman.
If you can't tell already, I am doing Vlogmas. I'm trying to upload every day.
Baby.
Okay, Mommy's talking now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go get your jacket.
Okay.
So please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to do it every day. I think
think we'll be able to do it. So like this video if you enjoyed it. Also turn your notification bell on so it notifies you when I upload so you can watch and you know that my video's up. Okay, love you. See you tomorrow. Bye.